Everything wears.
Hi guys, this is Keith again from everythingwares.com. So we're done with the basic point of sale with inventory right here. Now the next thing what we're going to do is dealing with the so-called condition. So what is a condition? Now when we say we are going to deal with a condition, it's like you're trying to get a specific output that if something is going to happen, a particular cell is going to warn you that you need to do something about it. So for example, we have the remaining stocks in here. So for example, if on the camping tent, if the remaining stocks is already below 500, then you need to do something about it. Let's say the camping tent is pretty much saleable for the customers, so you don't need to make it zero for the remaining stocks. So if ever the remaining stocks has reached to below 500, then there's some sort of a notification for you guys that you need to purchase additional items for the camping tent from your supplier, that you need to replenish it in here so that you'll not be having any problems with your customers sooner or later. So to do that, first you're just going to highlight the areas that should be included, which is the remaining stocks. Then click on conditional formatting, click on highlight cells rules, then proceed with less than. There you go. So the condition that I'm going to deal with is less than 500. 500. Now, it will have the format which is light red field with dark red text if ever a cell reaches below 500. So click on OK. There you go. So as you can see in here, this is invalid actually because the stocks on hand is only 300. So I'm just going to change this one to 1000. There you go. So the remaining stocks is still okay in here. As you can see, it's all white. There's no warning, but if ever a client or a customer is going to order at least 501 items, then this will be deducted to the stocks on hand, and automatically by the time I'm going to press enter, I'll have the warning sign which says it is already below 500, so you need to purchase more. So I'm just going to resize this part, that you need to purchase more. It's because it needs replenishment, something like that. But if you want to change the condition, let's say for example, you want it to be not that high because 500 is quite high. You want it to be more realistic. You're just going to highlight all of them. You're going to change the formatting. First, you're going to click on the conditional formatting, then click on clear rules, then clear rules from selected cells to clear everything. Then afterwards, highlight all of them again. Go to conditional formatting, highlight cells rules, then proceed with less than. This time I'm going to deal with, let's say 50 items. 50 is good. It's very realistic much. Click OK. So as you can see in here, if ever I'm going to purchase, let's say 900 items, there you go. It's still okay. Still have 100 of camping tents on your stock room right now. So if you want to purchase, let's say a customer has purchased 951 items, then that's the time that it's going to warn you that, oh, you only have 49 items in your stock room, then you need to replenish it. So that's how it's going to be like. So that's the main purpose of the condition or the conditional formatting in Microsoft Excel. So that's it for now. This is Keith again from everythingwares.com. Subscribe for more. Bye for now.
Everything wears.